make up your damn mind about it. No one even spells it like that. 2 for 25.
Smile.
Sleeping.
Sleep. Why? This is it. Why sleeping?
McDonald's.
Wait, look at this light, guys.
Where were you on the night?
Are you? What we got here? It's currently 10 p.m. and we're walking to McDonald's because that's the only thing that's open. The weather is not too bad actually. I feel pretty warm in my thin jacket. Honestly, it's actually pretty good.
What kind of filling? The same as me?
You want some?
The egg on chop on Capri, whatever.
For a different reason. That's because of weight. They put that away from the river because they thought it would be too heavy to crush the train tracks below it, and that's to Riverside.
Place where
I don't
Abe
know.
Lincoln
That
was
rambly
nominated.
thing up there is, of course, the L, which you'll on a Sunday or Saturday afternoon. There wouldn't be a whole lot up here.
Open on the left at Monroe.
We got deep dish pizza and wine from Giordano's. Giordano's? Oh my god. It's a little small.
It's a little small, yes.
It's a little
Just a tiny bit small. Don't you think?
between the three.
Nope.
Well,
So 2 each?
yeah. Okay. I think that'll be good. And salad.
Oh yes. Each one. So we know where it's from. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? So you know what I mean?
Wait, turn around with the rope.
Turn around.
Dude, you look like a wizard or something.
Harry Potter! The man who lives!
I can't with my hair. Ooh, hold on. It's too freaking funny. It is so cold and windy. And my umbrella keeps flipping. This is live in San Diego. Absolutely not. You guys, this is what we've been dealing with. Flipped umbrellas. The trick is, if you go against the wind, it eventually should flip back, but it's not. Ah, there it goes.
Under reconstruction. Well,
Got an arepa. That's gonna be very filling. We have dinner again at 7:30.
Well,
I know, it's like shitty out there. Ooh, that's huge. Bro! I'm like, do I pick this up? I need hot sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It's all from the park.
Yeah, I need hot sauce. No, you're fine. I was gonna say. For a big girl like me.
Where are you at? Oh, yeah, it's good food. Try Mollzeey.
Yeah, go ahead.
oh, it's a rigatoni.
Rigatoni alabaca.
Oh, look at my double chin. That is delicious.
Let me try yours.
Yours is good too, though.
Yeah. I like this better.
Can I?
Of course, take as much as you want.
Oh, these are all very good though.